Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Purwita Putri Mihdadiya. I am from Chemistry in Class C, Faculty of Sains and Teknologi, State Islamic University of Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. I was born in Sidoarjo on 31 March 2003. I live in Gresik. Here I will explain a little about our Earth 1 and the IPAL system. First, definition of water according to experts. First, according to Indarto in Udayani, water is the only substance that naturally occurs on the Earth's surface in all three of its forms. Water is a semi-solid substance with the formula hydrogen, one oxygen atom. Water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless under standard conditions. Secondly, according to ocean theory, water is part of our life, include being used for various household purposes, maintaining health, and for survival. Also, water resources are said to be geophysically abundant. Only a small part of them can be used directly. Water sources. Based on the location of the source, water can be divided. First, space water, rain. Space water or rainwater is the main source of earth water. Although at the time of precipitation, it is the cleanest water. It tends to be polluted when in the atmosphere. Pollution that takes place in the atmosphere can be caused by dust particles, microorganisms, and gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and ammonia. Secondly, surface water. Surface water, which includes water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, reservoirs, swamps, waterfalls, and surface wells, mostly comes from rainwater that falls to the earth's surface. The rainwater will then be polluted by soil, garbage, and odors. Compared to other water sources, surface water is the polluted water source due to human activities, fauna, flora, and other substances. Surface water sources include river, ditch, swamps, ditch, dams, lakes, seas, and waterfalls. The role of water for life. First, the role of water in human life and other creatures. Water is part of the physical environment that is very essential not only in living process, but also for other processes such as for industry, agriculture, firefighting, fire, and others. The human body contains 60 until 70% water of the entire body weight. Water in the fat tissue area is about 90%. Secondly, the role of water is in disease transmission. Water has a big role in the transmission of several infectious diseases. The large role of water in disease transmission is due to condition of the water itself is very helpful and very good for microbiology life. Water can act as a microbiological breeding ground and also as a temporary resident before microbiological transfers to humans. Several definitions relate to water quality according to PPRI number 82 of 2001 include: first, water sources are containers of water found above and below the ground surface, including in this sense aquifers, springs, rivers, swamps, lakes, reservoirs, and estuaries. Secondly, water quality is the condition of water quality that is measured and or tested based on certain parameters and certain methods based on the applicable laws and regulations. Third, water class is a water quality rating that is considered still feasible to be used of certain purpose. Fourth, water quality standard is a measure of the limit or level of living things, substance, energy, or components that exist or must exist and or pollution elements whose presence in water is tolerated. 5. Water quality status is the level of water quality condition that indicates pollution condition or good condition in a water source within a certain time by comparing it with the water quality standard set. According to the government regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 82 of 2001, water quality or water quality is classified into 4 classes, which consist of a first class, water whose designation can be used for drinking water and for other uses that require the same water quality as the activity. Second class, the water intended for use can be used for water recreation, infrastructure or facilities, freshwater fish cultivation, animal husbandry, water of irrigation, agriculture, and other uses that require ensure the same water quality as that use. Class 3, which can be used for freshwater fish farming, animal husbandry, water for irrigation, gardens, and other use with the same water quality requirements as those uses. For class, water for other purposes that require the same water quality as that use. In general, the water treatment process is divided into 3 units, namely, first, initial shelter unit or intake. This unit is known as the setup unit or intake. This unit functions as a reservoir for water from its water source. In addition, this unit is equipped with a bar screen which functions as an initial filter of objects that are also submerged in water such as leaf litter, wood, and other objects. Secondly, treatment unit or water treatment. In this unit, water from the initial storage unit is processed through several steps. First, coagulation step. Secondly, flocculation step. Third, step of deposition. Fourth, step of filtering. And the last, final reservoir unit or reservoir. After entering this step, it means that the water is ready to distribute to the community. This is a water treatment scheme. IPAL system. IPAL is a technical structure and equipment that is specifically designed to process or treat the residual process fluid so that the remaining process becomes suitable for disposal to the environment. Some of the benefits of IPAL installation. First, treating water so that it can be reused according to individual needs. Secondly, make the water flow to the river clean and suitable for use. And the last, effectively keep plants in the soil and water free from death due to toxins. What's treatment with IPAL system? First, inlet. Secondly, filtering. Third, equalization. 4, uniformity. 5, cooling. 6, biological aeration. 7, clarifier. 8, precipitation. 9, sand filter. 10, lagoon and control. 11, water meter. And then last, outlet. That's all my explanation. More or less, I apologize profusely Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.